Hello, I'm Jack Sotti, cocktail consultant and director of advocacy for Rene Spirits. This year I've partnered up with Imbibe Live to act as their spirits ambassador to showcase some of my favorite sustainable brands and to talk about sustainability in bars. Join me on Tuesday, the 4th of July for my seminar, How to Make Sure Sustainability Isn't Just a Buzzword on Your Menu. We're going to be covering some of the top 10 most impactful things you can do as an operator to ensure you are working as sustainable as possible. And of course, we're going to be tasting some delicious cocktails made with some of my favorite sustainable brands. I would say the thing I'm most looking forward to at Imbibe Live is the Imbibe Live Shake Off. We are going to be pitting some of the UK's best bar teams up against one another live on stage. It's going to be hella fun, so come down and check it out. Why should people attend Imbibe Live? If you haven't attended Imbibe Live, I would say it is an awesome place to network, meet suppliers, meet buyers. If you're a brand, if you're just in the industry and you want to feel closer to everything, it's a wicked social occasion. Everyone's having a lovely time. There's some incredible brands to try. So get your ass down there. Who is the most famous person I've imbibed with? Well, I've just launched a spirits brand with my dear friends Alex and Emma Watson. It's called Rene and it's delicious. So I'd say, yeah, probably Emma would be up there with the most famous. If I could imbibe with anyone dead or alive, I would probably say Sir David Attenborough. He would be up there on my list. I would love to have a drink with him, have a dinner party with him and just listen to some stories, hear some tall tales, and I would probably make him something delicious, really showcasing something foraged or nature's beautiful bounty, something he'll be into, or we'll just have a glass of wine. My favorite drink seems to change every month as it is my job to try as many things as possible. I never really stick to one thing. So at the moment, I am really enjoying two particular brands. One brand, of course, I have to say is Rene, the gin we just launched. It's delicious. I'm very proud of the liquid we developed. It showcases the wonderful terroir of Chablis as a region, and it's lovely and mineral forward. The other favorite drink I would have to say at the moment is Nitor Winery. They are a fantastic winery down in Cornwall. I love English products and some of their wines are fantastic. So guys, if you haven't got your tickets already, head to live.imbibe.com, get your tickets before they run out. We would love to see you there. See you soon.